Hi, this is Kirsten with Subaru of Puyallup, and today we're going to take a look at Subaru's infotainment systems and how to take advantage of all those features. Found in many Subaru models is the 11.6 infotainment system. One of my favorite features within the infotainment system is Apple CarPlay. You may have an Android product, in which case you'll use Android Auto, but pairing your phone is really easy. And then once you have Apple CarPlay, you can have what you already are familiar with from your phone on the screen. There's no cord that you need to use to connect to it. In fact, what's nice is that some models also have a wireless charger. So you may not have a need for a wire or cord at all. Right now I can see that my phone's charging also through the wireless charging system there. If we go back to the Subaru system here, what I do like too is that you can prioritize these applications as they are a priority for you. You might keep your map there, and then radio, you might move that to a different location altogether. Let's put that down there, move these applications down there, and you can change it to be where it's most relevant for you. One of the fun features that you can use in some of the Outback models too is your X mode, and you can shift your gear in X mode through the screen. Right now we're just going to keep it in normal. The maps are operated by TomTom, which also coordinates nicely if you have the What 3 Words app, as well as just really easy to use in terms of using voice recognition, or you may choose to use your maps from your phone. Within this screen setup, you do have your climate control and creature comforts in the screen as well. Easy to open those up and change the features or change the temperatures as you need. Your climate control is also in the system. One of the things I do like that is not in the screen but right adjacent to it that are quick buttons is your front defrost and your rear defrost, because you need to be able to access those immediately. You also have your temperature controls for dual climate control available outside of the screen. You can also adjust your temperature inside the screen. Your recirc is in here as well. One thing I really like about Subaru's climate control is that you could have your panel and floor on, or a lot of panel and a little bit of floor. I guess just for funsies. Sometimes you want to be able to customize your experience there too. Many Subaru vehicles also have auto stop, and whether or not you decide to use it or not, the button to turn it off is in the screen as well. And then you have automatic vehicle hold, which is nice to be able to access there as well. And then you can also change your driver assistant settings within the screen. One thing that I do appreciate too is that you can customize your experience, your welcome messages, and your display. One of my favorite features is having quick access to the weather information here locally, right where I'm at. I can get the current weather, or I can even get a 5-day readout of what to expect here in Puyallup, Washington. Pairing your phone on the Subaru Outback is quite easy. I like that it has an easy to find manage devices button, and you can just add a device. Yes. Sure. If you want to get back to the home screen, you can press the home button, and then you can get back into Apple CarPlay that way. What I do like is that your radio is pretty easy to use. You can find which you'd like to use, whether it's FM, AM, Sirius XM, your phone device like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or simply using your Bluetooth, or maybe through a USB flash drive or something like that, another device. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for this one as well, and also this one is equipped with a wireless charging pad. I like that it shows when it engages on there as well. You can see it's charging there. You can customize your safety features or your eyesight and driving assistance features through the screen as well, and you have access to the full collection of the driver assistance elements there for Subaru Eyesight. From the home page, we can rearrange some of these icons if we wanted to have them in different locations. If you have more, you probably can make a different arrangement there. And you can add shortcuts as well that pertain either to your media, phone, or other settings that you want to have at a quick touch. Change the cabin temperature to 67 degrees.
Cabin temperature set to 67 degrees.
Thank you for joining us for Subaru's infotainment systems with both the 11.6-inch screen that you find in many models, or even the 12.3 that you find in the Subaru Outback. For any questions you may have, please reach out. We'd love to be able to help, and also don't forget to like and subscribe.